Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a compact yet powerful cooling solution that could be a game changer for your gaming setup, the Coolerguys Single USB-C Fan. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Coolerguys USB-C Fan is a 120mm cooling fan designed specifically for gaming consoles such as PlayStation and Xbox, as well as various other devices like receivers and Roku players. Its sleek and functional design makes it a perfect addition to any tech setup, ensuring your devices stay cool during intense gaming sessions or streaming marathons. One of the standout features of this fan is its 120mm back finger grill, which is pre-installed for your convenience. This design not only enhances airflow but also acts as a protective barrier, preventing any accidental contact with the fan blades. Additionally, the fan comes with rubber feet included, so you won't have to worry about scratching or damaging any of your components while it's operating. This attention to detail ensures that your devices remain in pristine condition. So, who is this fan suitable for? The Coolerguys USB-C Fan is perfect for avid gamers who want to keep their consoles or devices cool, especially during extended play sessions. It's also ideal for media enthusiasts who use streaming devices and want to prevent overheating. If you've ever experienced your console throttling performance due to heat, this fan could be an essential addition to your setup. In terms of practical use cases, imagine hosting a gaming night with friends. The last thing you want is for your console to overheat and disrupt the fun. With the Coolerguys fan in place, you can ensure optimal airflow, allowing everyone to focus on the game rather than worrying about hardware issues. Similarly, if you're using a Roku or any other receiver for binge-watching your favorite shows, this fan can help maintain a cool environment, ensuring uninterrupted viewing and performance. The versatility of this fan extends beyond just gaming. If you have a media center that houses multiple devices, the Coolerguys fan can be a valuable asset to keep everything running smoothly. It's compact enough to fit in tight spaces while still delivering effective cooling. In conclusion, the Coolerguys Single USB-C Fan is a practical and efficient solution for anyone looking to enhance their gaming or streaming experience. With its user-friendly features and thoughtful design, it's an investment worth considering if you want to prolong the lifespan of your devices and maintain peak performance.